Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Venmo linked bank and card transactions, complete guide step by step clearly. To restore Venmo linked bank and card transactions, start by launching the Venmo app on your mobile device. Log into your account using your email and password. Once logged in, navigate to the main menu by tapping the three horizontal lines in the top left corner. Select Settings from the menu options. Scroll down and tap on Payment Methods. Here, you will see the linked bank accounts and cards. If you notice a missing or unlinked account, tap Add Bank or Card. Choose the type of account you wish to link. Follow the prompts to enter your bank account or card details. Ensure that you provide accurate information to avoid any errors. After entering your details, Venmo will typically verify your account. This verification may take a few minutes to complete. Once verified, return to the Payment Methods section to confirm the changes. If you have any transaction issues, go back to the menu and select Your Transactions. Review your recent transactions for any discrepancies. If you spot a transaction that needs attention, tap on it for more details. You can report issues or disputes directly from this screen. To help restore missing transactions, ensure that your linked accounts are functioning properly. Check your bank account or card statements to confirm the transactions. If you haven't received the transactions in Venmo, contact Venmo support for further assistance. Keep your app updated to the latest version for optimal performance. Regularly review your linked accounts to ensure they are active and synced. This proactive approach can help prevent future transaction issues. Remember to log out of your account after you're done for security reasons. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.